Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to me, kindly click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel.
The definition of religion, which has been defined to be a way of life. So when you say a way of life, that means traditions, the way you do your thing, the way you do things, the way which we Yorubas call Isese in Yoruba language, in Yoruba land. So when you say Isese, that means your traditions, your own way of life. So this is how we have been doing it. That is it. Now, in the past, when our forefathers were living their lives without the intervention of any of these foreign religions, since we are working, we had our own system of religion. We have our own system of Isese, our traditions and our culture. Take for instance, I was told by my great-grandfather that I even grew up seeing all of these things. In the past, you dare not swear with Ogun if you actually did what you are alleged of. If you actually did it, you can't swear with Ogun, or you swear with Sango. It's not possible. So that means during that time, the level of criminality was very low in our land. You hardly see someone who would just be misbehaving around or do whatever, because that time we all respected our traditions so much. We respect what is called a war, taboo. There are some things that you should not do. That's a very big taboo in the past in our land. Like take for instance, sleeping with someone's wife. It's a big taboo in our land. It used to be a very big taboo in our land. So, but what do we have today? Now that we are the lovers of religion, we Africans are the lovers of religion, what do we have today? Criminality everywhere, lies everywhere, and all sorts of bad things. There is nothing like a war any longer. There is nothing like a war, nothing like taboo. You do whatever you want, as long as you can back yourself with the law of your land. You can hurt your fellow human without feeling remorse about it. So, but in the past, it wasn't like this. Yoruba religion concept is Horu. Is Oru in nature, no scripture, nothing like scripture, nothing like book. And if you check the other religions, they were as well Oru. But some people just came around for instance, when Jesus died, Jesus did not write any book to say, okay, this is my book. This is a book that I have written for you people to be reading, for everyone to read. So the issue of, Yoruba religion doesn't have a book, that does not mean that is not real. Why are we now allowing other traditions, other way of life to dominate us, to dominate our system, to dictate the tone of how we do things? You see? Now, why can't you just live your life, come to this world, live your life, live a meaningful life, contribute your own quota to make this world a better place? But we use religion to dominate, to disturb ourselves so much. And even with the level at which we embrace religion, we are still languishing in poverty. Poverty, criminality, and all sorts of things trouble us so much. So, this is another wake-up call to you, my brothers and sisters. Let us embrace our Isese. Let us revert to our Isese because it is the best. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. Until we see again, get a better life.